In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Facebook pixel into your Hostinger website using the Events Manager and ensure your analytics are set up correctly for tracking important data. First, let's talk about why you might want to do this. Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool that helps you track activity on your website. It gives you insights that can optimize your ad campaigns, improve target audience engagement, and offer valuable analytics to drive your business decisions. So, getting this right can really enhance your online strategy. Now, before diving in, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account and ready to access the Events Manager. This is where you'll find your unique Facebook Pixel ID, an essential piece of data for this integration. Once you're in the Events Manager, navigate through the interface until you locate the pixel you're working with. Your Pixel ID will be visibly displayed, usually in a prominent spot once you're in the right area. Copy this ID because we're going to need it in just a moment. Next, it's time to switch over to Hostinger Website Builder. Log into your Hostinger account if you haven't already. Once inside, head over to your website. You'll want to access the site settings, a section usually found in your dashboard's navigation panel. This is where we'll integrate the Facebook pixel, so it's crucial to take your time and ensure you're in the correct area. Within the site settings, search for a section labeled something like Integrations or Analytics. These settings are typically bundled together as they deal with external tools and data tracking. It might take a second to spot, but it's usually straightforward to find. Once you're in the right section, you'll find an input field or area specifically for entering your Facebook Pixel ID. Remember the ID we copied earlier from Facebook Events Manager? Now is the time to paste it into this field. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the ID when you paste it to avoid any connection issues. Doing this step correctly ensures that your pixel is properly linked to your website. Finally, after entering your Pixel ID, it's extremely important to save your settings. You don't want to lose these changes, so look for a Save button, usually located towards the bottom or top of the page. Once you hit Save, the final step is publishing your website. This action will push all your updates live and make sure the Facebook pixel starts tracking data as visitors come to your site. And there you have it, your Facebook pixel is now successfully integrated into your Hostinger website. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for better insights into your audience and more effective ad targeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you leverage Facebook Pixel's powerful capabilities to enhance your online presence.